Hey everybody, here it's Creative Sarah, and I am going to show you a really cool project. We're going to paint with some of our black velvet chalk paste. Yep, you can paint with it. So we're going to go ahead and take some of this and paint the whole surface of this box frame right here. It doesn't take much. I didn't add any water. It's just black chalk paste, and I used a paintbrush to spread it out. When it's completely done, I will go ahead and try to dry it pretty quickly. It dries pretty quickly with our drying tool. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some surface wax to wax it to prepare it for our transfer. That protects both the surface and the back of the sticky part of the transfer. So it is ready to go. Let's create our perfect project today. Be kind to yourself today. That is what our message is. So I'm going to flip this over and write back on the backer sheet so I know which side is the back, because after I wash it, I will reuse it, put it back on that sheet. I'm fuzzing it right now, making it less sticky, and I'm going to stick that right down, and we're just going to use some simple bright white chalk paste. I've got my small squeegee there, and I'm just covering the silkscreen with the paste, kind of scraping it through the silkscreen. Then I'm going to peel to reveal. Look at this. So cool. Oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. And now I'm going to go ahead and dry this chalk paste. If you are new, go ahead and comment VIP, or you can check out the link that is in my bio. It's got everything you need, including my website, CreativeSarah.com, and all of the other opportunities that you can check out what I do. I'm going to do a little embellishing on the top of this box frame. I've got some ribbon and I have some greenery. I'm just going to grab my hot glue gun and my greenery and go to town. This is really easy. It'll stick down. I'm going to use one of my multi-tools, my detail tool actually, to hold down so that I don't burn myself with my hot glue. Pretty simple. And we're just gonna glue that on, and voila, you guys, this is awesome. If you want to try this out, you can comment sample, or you can get that link in my bio, and go ahead and check out CreativeSarah.com today.